want, Rocky? Do you want pepper? Really? Okay. You've asked for the pepper. Why are you not eating it? Why did you ask for the pepper then? Yes, it was you. I've seen you asking. Oh, what do you want? Don't like your pepper? Maybe this is what he wants. Is it what you want? Do you want steak? You do? Okay, I'll give you some more steak. That's yours. Such a gentle baby. Good boy. Rocky, what do you want the viewers to do? Really? Why? Really? And what else? Oh, you're such a good boy. There you go. There's your steak.